So, welcome back to another episode of the weekly vlog. The destination this week is Bhonsi Nature Park, which is about a 25-minute drive from where I am. Let me show you all of the stuff that I'm going to have to carry with me because this is a birding destination and that does require some gear, a little bit more than my last trip. By the way, check out that vlog somewhere over here. So this is all of the stuff that I'm going to be taking on my trip. There's a tripod there, that's the camera bag, and this is the bean bag. This is basically used to just kind of stabilize really heavy camera gear, which is definitely going to come into play because Bhonsi is a birding destination like I mentioned before. There's also a giant metal burrito in here, just in case I get hungry. Okay, ready? Let's go. So we ended up having a change of mind. Right now I'm in Neemrana, which is not that far away. It's like an hour or an hour and a half of driving to get here. And what you see behind me right now is a lot of birds and a step well. There's a fort here as well, but that's now a heritage hotel and we don't really want to go inside. So something very strange has happened. Apparently we're about 100 kilometers away from the intended destination. Now you'll remember from the beginning of this video that I told you that we were going to go to Bhonsi Nature Park. This is obviously not Bhonsi Nature Park. As evidenced by the lack of nature and park. That's because we had a last minute change of plan, and the plan was to go to Neemrana Fort. Neemrana Fort, if you Google Neemrana, the first thing that's probably going to come up is the Japanese settlements that are there because of the industries, but the older part of town also does have some ancient architecture and most prominently the fort. There's also a step well, which I also shot a clip in. Now the fort it's been converted into a heritage hotel nowadays. You know, you can go inside, you can have lunch and everything, but there's no actual fort. It's been renovated. There's a lot of birds here. Maybe you can hear. So this is also not Neemrana Fort. This is in fact Tijara Fort. And how we got here is kind of funny. After we found out that Neemrana was kind of underwhelming, the plan was to go back home to Delhi. Google Maps ended up taking us in a big giant loop and we ended up here about 77 kilometers away from Delhi. We ended up here about 77 kilometers away from Delhi. And I don't know, we goofed up. That was a tractor. I don't know, we goofed up maybe. I have no idea why we are here. We found out when we were in the middle of nowhere, having gone in a big circle and ended up near a house with a football and a bronze statue of an eagle on the top of it. That was a surreal experience. So the plan now is to go back home finally, and hopefully there's going to be no more hiccups, because I'm really damn tired and so is everybody else on this trip. Signing out from Tijara somehow.